I've tried a couple different things. I was told to heat these logos up with a heat gun or a really hot hair dryer and use a razor. So this heat gun gets up to 1200 degrees. It works, kinda. That was pretty clean. Of course, it's heating the paint too, so the paint's wanting to come off. I found if I pull it slower and just let it release, it doesn't tear as bad. When it comes off in little bitty pieces, that becomes a tedious nightmare. So here's my solution for that. Definitely want in a well ventilated area. This is outside, so it's not too bad, but I'm telling you, it's burning my eyes. It's still, really, you ought to have a respirator on. This is nasty stuff. You see, it's melting paint and starting to dissolve stuff. We'll give this about 30 minutes, it says, and we'll come back and peel it off. Peels off. That part's done. I scratched this up pretty bad with the razor blade, and you can see these scratches here. I had them over here too, and that sander takes them right out. It leaves me a really nice surface. If I go over here, I did this yesterday. I was testing some different things, and I went ahead and sprayed primer on that, and it's really smooth. I haven't wet sanded this or anything yet, but it made for a really smooth coat. We're getting there. Like I said, you can see Pontoon, the difference it makes before and after. And we're going to paint this. I don't know on the color schemes yet, but I think it's going to be a light gray, and then we'll do a blue and an orange stripe on it, and maybe cut a logo or something for it. So we're getting there.